There has been a fierce nationwide backlash after the discovery of thousands of untested rape kits stashed away in police evidence rooms nationwide. Now, a new report from a committee set up to help ease the testing backlog in Maryland has found police departments across the state destroyed 270 of the rape kits over the last 2 years.
What justifies destroying of sexual assault evidence kits before they are tested? This needs to be clear to all rape survivors. Otherwise, it is immoral and indecent.
The worst alleged offender? The Frederick City Police Department, which reported it had gotten rid of 84 sexual assault evidence kits.
When I saw that number, I was a little alarmed myself.
But the commander of criminal investigations says the number was just a bookkeeping error.
It's appearing it's more about 9 kits in the past 2 years that we've actually disposed of.
And he says even under the tougher new rules imposed by Maryland lawmakers, there are instances where police departments can legally dispose of rape kits.
The suspect or somebody who's charged with a crime is deceased, or if they've already served a sentence or they've been found not guilty, the case is adjudicated, they can't be tried again.
The message about these rape kits does seem to be getting through. Montgomery County says in the last 2 years, it has tested 560 of these kits and not destroyed any of them. Prince George's County tested 205, also destroyed 0. In Frederick, Bruce Lachey, WUSA 9.